If you think about it, where we were at a year ago, 2 years ago, as it relates to Bitcoin and then crypto and what people were saying about it and all of those kind of things, what I'm about to tell you is pretty insane. This is Forbes, one of the oldest traditional finance publications in the world, with a leading headline that Bitcoin is going to, quote, steal gold's crown, become the most valuable asset in the world. Now, I realize that gold is not the most valuable asset, things like that, but you get my point. It's a metaphor, right? And the fact that there could be a sudden surge to 13.6 trillion, and also 10,000 for Ethereum. Yes, I know this is a Bitcoin video, but hey, let's talk about Ethereum. Yeah, 10,000 would be pretty darn good. The fact of the matter is the Bitcoin ETFs have opened the doorway to, quote, legitimize. Notice the air quotes. It's not how I feel. That's how Main Street, kind of everybody else over there, over on that side of the street, are starting to feel about crypto. It is changing, and this is positive for Bitcoin holders, right? This is Bitcoin news. This is, in my opinion, breaking Bitcoin news. And I'm going to continue to scream it from the rafters because I think it's relevant. Okay. It continues to be the narrative of of the turning of the tide of crypto being led by Bitcoin, changing the narrative, right? Okay. So this is a really great article and it's over on Forbes. You can go find it. But really at the heart of it, it's talking about inflows coming into the Bitcoin ETFs, 2.4 billion in just the last week alone. Okay, kind of tip right here. Bitcoin inflows topped 2.4 billion last week. Obviously, BlackRock and Fidelity being the main market share leaders. Okay, year to date have been 5.2 billion for those guys. And we're going to continue to see this. We know beyond a shadow of a doubt that crypto, led by Bitcoin, and then secondly Ethereum, are going to continue to grow in value. And ultimately, there are calls, and we all have heard this, for the price of Bitcoin to go north of 1.5 million. So, like, if you decide to buy Bitcoin today, and yes, I know 51,000 seems expensive. I get it, right? People look at you. You bought Bitcoin when it was $1 million. Oh my God, you're the smartest person in the room. You bought it when it was 51,000. Now it's million. Oh my God, that kind of thing, right? So just know that it's coming. And I bought some Bitcoin down in the low 20s, and I'm like, yeah, and at the time it was hard to buy that because it was all just bleak and bad and all that kind of stuff. The Bitcoin news coming out then was just not great, right? So I'm just using this as a point to tell you that the tide has turned, the narrative has turned, and we're starting to see more and more retail investors. Obviously, the institutional investors are coming in as well. And I just wanted you to know that this was a thing. And I really wanted to highlight the fact that Forbes is out there talking about it, leading the charge. And, it's insane that we could be seeing a $13.6 trillion market capitalization for all of crypto, right? Which that would be nuts. We topped out right at 3 trillion. And I'm talking about this number right here. I'm talking about that number right there, the entire crypto market. Now, remember, Bitcoin itself is $1 trillion right now. Okay. And if you ever wonder, like, the Bitcoin itself right there makes up 51% of the entire crypto market capitalization, and Ethereum makes up 18. So between them, they make up about 69 to 70%. Actually, that's 69.4 to be exact. Don't do math in public, right? And that's where we're at. Okay. So as far as kind of where Bitcoin's at right this second, you can see right here in the upper right-hand corner, make sure you guys can see that. Yep. Where I've circled this like 8 times right there, where I keep circling that. We are in a consolidation consolidation phase right now. So just know that's, excuse me, that's where we're at. If you're interested, this is my software. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. That 128 days ago gave a buy alert. There's been a couple of sell alerts along the way. 87% up. My software flagged it, said it's time to buy. And if you're interested, links in the description below. If you want to pick it, you can get it to where you get alerts sent to your phone. That's Bitcoin. This is Solana right there. 128 days ago, as an example, said, hey, it's time to buy. 377% up. $1,000 put in to do Solana 128 days ago would have made you a profit of $3,774. Links in the description below. There's a discount code down there. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. You effectively get to try it for 30 days for free. You do, okay? There's a discount code down there that makes it the quarterly option the best one. Discount, take advantage of it. Take it for a test spin. You got nothing to lose. All right, I'll see you. Bitcoin news, man. It's going to be crazy. Bitcoin north of $1 million, $1.5 million. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. I'll see you. Go make some money. Bye.